Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Want to speak Hebrew like the local Israelis? In this video, you will learn real Hebrew small talk questions and phrases Israelis actually use every day. No grammar drills, just practical sentences you can start using right away. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To ask, where did you grow up? When speaking to a male, ask, איפה גדלת? איפה, where? גדלת, you grew up, singular male. To ask, where did you grow up? When speaking to a female, ask, איפה גדלת? איפה, where? גדלת, you grew up, singular female. To ask, do you have children? When speaking to a male, ask, יש לך ילדים? יש, are there? לך, to you, singular male. ילדים, children. And when speaking to a female, ask, יש לך ילדים? To ask, how was your day? When speaking to a male, say, איך עבר עליך היום? איך, how? עבר, past, singular male. עליך, on you, singular male. היום, the day. And when speaking to a female, ask, איך עבר עלייך היום? איך, how? עבר, past, singular male. עלייך, on you, singular female. היום, the day. To ask, do you have plans for this evening? When speaking to a male, say, יש לך תוכניות להערב? יש, are there? לך, to you, singular male. תוכניות, plans. להערב, for this evening. And when speaking to a female, ask, יש לך תוכניות להערב? To ask, have you already tried the new restaurant? When speaking to a male, say, כבר ניסית את המסעדה החדשה? כבר, already. ניסית, you tried, singular male. את המסעדה, the restaurant. החדשה, the new, singular female. And when speaking to a female, say, כבר ניסית את המסעדה החדשה? To ask, what is your favorite sport? When speaking to a male, say, מה הספורט האהוב עליך? מה, what? הספורט, the sport. האהוב, the loved, singular male. עליך, on you, singular male. And together, האהוב עליך, your favorite, when speaking to a male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה הספורט האהוב עלייך? To ask, how was your weekend? When speaking to a male, ask, איך היה הסופש שלך? איך, how? היה, was, singular male. הסופש, the weekend. שלך, of yours, singular male. Another way to ask how was your weekend when speaking to a female is איך עבר הסופש שלך? איך, how, עבר, past, singular male, הסופש, the weekend, שלך, of yours, singular female. The word סופש is short for סוף שבוע, סוף and שבוע week, סוף שבוע weekend. To ask, are you from here? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה מפה? אתה, you, singular male, מפה, from here. And when speaking to a female, ask, את מפה? את, you, singular female, מפה, from here. To ask, what is your profession? When speaking to a male, ask, מה המקצוע שלך? מה, what, המקצוע, the profession, שלך, of yours, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה המקצוע שלך? To ask, what is your favorite part of your job? When speaking to a male, say, מה החלק האהוב עליך בעבודה? מה, what, החלק, the part, האהוב, the loved, singular male, עליך, on you, singular male, בעבודה, at work. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה החלק האהוב עלייך בעבודה? To ask, do you like working here? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה אוהב לעבוד כאן? אתה, you, singular male, אוהב, love, singular male, לעבוד, to work, כאן, here. And when speaking to a female, ask, את אוהבת לעבוד כאן? To ask, did you always want to be a teacher? When speaking to a male, ask, תמיד רצית להיות מורה? תמיד, always, רצית, you wanted, singular male, להיות, to be, מורה, a male teacher. And when speaking to a female, ask, תמיד רצית להיות מורה? תמיד, always, רצית, you wanted, singular female, להיות, to be, מורה, a female teacher. To ask, how is the weather outside? Say, איך מזג האוויר בחוץ? איך, how, מזג האוויר, the weather, בחוץ, outside. To say, it's such a beautiful day today. Say, איזה יום יפה היום. איזה, what, יום, day, יפה, beautiful, singular male, היום, today. To say, it looks like it's going to rain later. Say, נראה שהולך לרדת גשם מאוחר יותר. נראה, it seems, singular male. שהולך, that's going, singular male. לרדת, to go down. גשם, rain. מאוחר, יותר, later. To say, it seems like the weather is changing. Say, נראה שמזג האוויר משתנה. נראה, it seems, שמזג האוויר, that the weather, משתנה, changing, singular male. To ask, what is your favorite Israeli dish? When speaking to a male, ask, מה המאכל הישראלי האהוב עליך? מה, what, המאכל, the dish, הישראלי, the Israeli, singular male, האהוב עליך, your favorite, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה המאכל הישראלי האהוב עלייך? To ask, what do you usually eat for breakfast? When speaking to a male, ask, מה אתה בדרך כלל אוכל לארוחת בוקר? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, בדרך כלל, usually, אוכל, eat, singular male, לארוחת בוקר, for breakfast. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה את בדרך כלל אוכלת לארוחת בוקר? מה, what, at, you, singular female, בדרך כלל, usually, אוכלת, eat, singular female, לארוחת בוקר, for breakfast. To ask, when do you usually eat dinner? When speaking to a male, ask, מתי אתה בדרך כלל אוכל ארוחת ערב? מתי, when, אתה, you, singular male, בדרך כלל, usually, אוכל, eat, singular male, ארוחת ערב, dinner. And when speaking to a female, ask, מתי את בדרך כלל אוכלת ארוחת ערב? מתי, when, at, you, singular female, בדרך כלל, usually, אוכלת, eat, singular female, ארוחת ערב, dinner. To ask, have you been on vacation recently? When speaking to a male, ask, היית בחופשה לאחרונה? היית, you were, singular male, בחופשה, on vacation, לאחרונה, recently. And when speaking to a female, ask, היית בחופשה לאחרונה? היית, you were, singular female, בחופשה, on vacation, לאחרונה, recently. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.